Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to convert any picture to portrait on your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you had took some picture which picture is not portrait and you want to make those picture portrait. Obviously you need to have the latest version of iOS and then you can easily get that pictures easily. You can convert any pictures from if that picture is not portrait, you can easily convert those picture portrait. Anyway, if I go in my photos album and then you can see this is a picture I had took which is without portrait. If you decide to set this picture with portrait, you need to click here edit and then a skin near there will be up here, you will find something say portrait. Now here you can easily choose the portrait you want. For example, I want to portrait my face, so this is the portrait view. And if you example, if I choose this background, now you can see the background is going to appear and my face is going to be blurred. If you want to enable unblur your face, you can choose your face and the background going to be blurred and those pictures going to appear portrait. Now if I click here done, and then we will see now I have successfully converted those pictures from without portrait to portrait in my iPhone. For example, this is another picture and I want to change this picture to portrait. So for that, what you have to do is to click again here this edit and then click here portrait, and from here you can easily choose the blur you would like to, and then you can make it here done. And those picture which was previously I took without portrait, that I had successfully converted to portrait. Also you might be wondering or you might be want to turn off portrait or turn on portrait. You can click this down arrow icon and then you can simply portrait off and that's going to appear normal mode. If you decide to enable portrait, you can simply click here portrait. So within this simple way you can easily convert any picture to portrait on your iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.